Hey, Guy 1948 here. Doing the last video on this 96 Dodge Ram, the old Dare truck. I put little vents in the front and these Lexani all-terrain or Terrain Beast all-terrain tires. They actually do a pretty good job. They were just some cheap Chinese ones I bought. And that was, I put a catback dual exhaust on it, and that's about all I really did to this truck. It hasn't changed a whole lot since you last saw it. It's got 130,000 miles on it, and I put a different radio in it and some speakers, and nothing real special. Just yeah, thought I'd show you guys a little update on that before it gets sold. Guy made me an offer on it, so there's Darren, mascot there, and put a little Dodge sticker on it. And yeah, we'll go ahead and fire it up here, do a little bit of a cold start. You still in shot? We moved. Yeah, alright. Sounds pretty good. It's a little cold. So, alright. I think that's going to do it for this video. I have a Flow Effects kit by Flowmaster. Put just a normal K&N air filter on it. Nothing special. I'm not sure if it did anything or not. Something else I thought was neat. I've never seen one of these before, but it's called a glow key. It's actually a Chrysler made key, but it's made to glow in the dark. It's a neat idea. Of course it doesn't work anymore, it's so old it doesn't glow, but it's a neat idea. I'll probably de-ice this before it gets here. Might just leave her run. There she goes. Might run a little, get that defroster going. So, yeah, I think that's going to do it for this. I better not, in case it does lock. Shouldn't, but. Yeah, the body was in really good shape. Just that one spot on the driver's side was a little bad. A little review on these tires. Doing really good. Got a lot of tread left in them. That's about all more I can say. So, alright, that's going to do it for this video and for this truck. Didn't really do any more videos. I don't think I really did anything on this truck. I did the first one where it had the 22-inch rims, and now we say goodbye to it. So, alright, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.